Hey guys, it's Justine from JustPlans and welcome back to another video. I am using this kit by Planning World. It's called B204 and it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love the muted, soft colors. They're so pretty and the silver foil goes perfectly with this. This is her older format, which I do still love. Really simple, really pretty and soft. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing and please remember to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. All right, let's get into it. Yeah, this was a really refreshing kit. Just the clip art itself is so cozy and I just kind of want to like snuggle in a warm blanket type of feeling and like hang out at home. And I feel like this kit was so welcome because for the last few weeks, especially in October, I was playing with so many like bold, dark, moody colors, which you guys know is like out of my comfort zone. So to come back to soft pastel colors, I just felt like so natural planning with this kit and it came out really beautifully. I love the silver with this kit. I think it goes perfectly with the soft colors and it just really adds to that kind of like clean. The only word I can think of is soft, so I'm gonna say soft. Soft feeling of this kit. Just love it. So, so pretty. Um, and then, of course, the quote box, it says, enjoy the little things, which is definitely something I'm trying to do more of. Just trying to, like, find, like, the happiness in normal, everyday moments and situations. Like, I mean, because that's really what life is all about. Oh my God, I can feel myself getting, like, deep and philosophical, but, like, I don't know. Never mind. I don't want to get into that conversation right now. So, okay. So, you guys have seen me do this before. I'm taking some clip art and putting it on the blanked out boxes to create some new full boxes. I just did that because I thought it would be fun. And I'm just going to use a few of those blanked out boxes with deco and then scatter them with the full boxes from the kit. Also, here I am pulling in the fragrance sticks deco with a November script from Sticky Sloth Designs. I love that date script so much. And then just building out my sidebar, you guys will see that I do stop like halfway or I don't fill out the whole sidebar. That's because I like to put photos in the sidebar off camera as a memory keeper. So here I'm just going to be placing down the full boxes and yeah, so I am just scattering them throughout the spread. So yeah, what to say? Oh, you might have noticed or seen my Instagram that I didn't or wasn't able to put up a plan with me last week. I was a dum dum and I really fucked up the settings on my filming settings and I don't know. It was so funny because you'll see in this plan with me that I had two plan with me fails. So like the first one was that just like the camera settings were all wrong and the video looked super blown out and overexposed, which was just the intro to like and laying down the base, which I thought was fine. So then I went again and planned the or filmed the rest of the plan with me and then I had like dialed back the settings so much that it was just like really really low quality video. So, yeah, all in all, I wasn't able to put up a plan with me last week. So, my bad, but here is one this week. My God, what am I saying? I'm sorry, I don't know. Okay, Monday, let's get into the daily plans. So, Monday, I did get up early and did some yoga and meditation. That all those stickers are from the kit. I really love that candle deco. I honestly would just buy a whole sheet of that candle. It is super, super pretty. Love that clip art. For work, you guys know that I like to mark how many meetings I have each workday, just because that's kind of something that helps me to remember like how busy that day was. Of course, this is a memory planner for me, and work takes up a lot of my day, so I do like to mark some aspect of work, whether that be like how many meetings I had, or if there's like one important meeting or one important task that I did. I do like to mark that down. Archie did have a vet appointment also. This was just like his booster shots for his vaccine. And yeah, oh, and then, okay, and then it was really fun at the end. Well, like for happy hour, my boyfriend and I went to this um, bar tavern near us with our friends Jess and Doug. This was like the first time since COVID happened, probably, that we've had like a double date type of thing with them. So that was really, really fun. Um, it was super nice to just hang out with them, and it kind of felt like normal times, even though obviously we're like in a very Oh, and it was also my first time dining indoors at a restaurant, which was super weird, but there was literally no one near us at all, so I felt okay doing that. And then at the end of the night, we did play some fetch, so I pulled in that really pretty fetch icon from Crafts by Tally. Oh, and that martini sticker is also from Crafts by Tally to mark where we went to happy hour. Okay, Tuesday, I marked one meeting the same way that I marked my meetings the same way every day this week, with just a label from the kit and a bow dot sticker. Oh, what happened to Tuesday? What are we doing here? Okay, we are moving things down because I decided I want to put that silver lace divider from Honey Inked on every single day. So I stuck it here at the top of Monday. Okay, here we go. Then back to Tuesday, we played fetch. So that is just a bag deco from the kit and a paw print sticker from the Giving Girl. Then I layered a header from the kit and that lace divider from Honey Inked. I really, really like how that turned out. I think it's really pretty. Gives like a nice like sliver of color with that lace divider. Then we got some takeout from 30 Burgers, which is really, really yummy, like local burger place. It's like they have like maybe 10 locations in this area, or like in the New Jersey area or something like that. Anyway, that burger sticker is from Tassel Planner, who's no longer open. Below that, I did mark my one of two plan with me fails with a YouTube play button from Stay Stickers. Did I say Stadies stickers? I hope I said Sadie stickers. Okay. And then at the end of the night, I did. You guys know I've been obsessed with Animal Crossing. I literally play Animal Crossing all day, every day. And so that night I did visit my friend Jess's island, which was really exciting. I pulled in a Switch sticker from Panda Bird Design. And then I also I cut up some mandalas and used them as a divider at the very bottom of Tuesday, inspired by Tay. And those mandalas are from Sticky Sloth Designs. Okay. Okay, Wednesday. Oh my God, I'm just like talking a mile a minute. I did have to submit my timesheet. I used a icon from Paper Muse Crafts. I am a salary, but we are a nonprofit, so even like salaried employees have to submit a monthly timesheet. And literally, I'm just saying that like I work X hours every day. We don't really care about like being too like specific at all with it. It's just kind of like a formality type of thing. But I do have to do that at the beginning of every month. I had four meetings at work that day, and then it was really, really nice. I had dinner outside, dining, like outdoor dining, with two of my friends, Linda and Helena. They are like coworkers from an old job, and I just love seeing them. and I always have such a great time with them. It's so hilarious because they are both like and I hope they're not like offended by this, though I don't think they'll watch this video, but they might. I don't my friends, I don't know. Anyway, they are like two middle-aged women, and to be honest, like at least from what I've learned from my work life is that I befriend middle-aged women really, really quickly. Like honestly feel so comfortable talking to them, and I feel like I have so much in common with them, which is like I don't know if that's weird or if anyone else feels that way, but totally me. Anyway, love them. Love Thai food. The food was really, really yummy. I pulled in I think that's a noodle sticker from Crafts by Towie. Okay, on to Thursday. I did the mandala divider thing, the same one that I did on Tuesday, at the top of the day on Thursday. Then my meetings. Had 5 meetings on Thursday, which was like so much. Um, let's see. After work, we took a walk. Took our dog out for a walk. And then I also stopped at ShopRite to grab some things, so that was good. We really, really needed groceries. That grocery sticker is from Paper Muse Crafts. That swirl divider swooshy is from Ruby J Designs. I do have a coupon code for Ruby J Designs. It is Justine15, and you can also get my foiled freebie in your foil choice. And the freebie is really, really good. So I'll link that down below. At the end of the night, I visited Katie's island. Katie from Plan with Katie, and her island is so pretty. Okay. Oh, I did want to ask you guys, like anyone who plays Animal Crossing on like island visiting etiquette. So Katie was so sweet and had like all these like items and gifts for me to pick up when I um visited her island. And hold on, let me just like interrupt the story by just saying on Friday, my two friends, Jess and Doug, this was the couple that I saw that we went to happy hour on Monday. They got married on Friday, which was super exciting. They had like a very private ceremony with literally just them and the officiant, and then they had like dinner with their families. So like I wasn't able to like participate, but I'm so excited and happy for them. I pulled in that really pretty frame box from Megby Makes to mark that. Okay, but anyway, back to Animal Crossing. So she also had like DIY recipes on the side for me, and this is my question as far as like island visiting etiquette. So I wasn't really sure what to do because I had maybe like a third of the recipes that she had laid out. I had already known them. So, but I wasn't sure if it was okay if I like left them there or if I should pick up all of them. So I picked up all of them, and some of them now are just like sitting in my house because I don't really know what to do with them because I already know them and I can't like get rid of them. So I guess my question is like, are you supposed to pick up all of the recipes or all of the gifts that someone lays out for you, or are you supposed to only take some of them? Because I also feel like I wasn't sure what to do, so I just took all of them. So I don't know if that was rude. Was that rude? Can someone tell me, please? I really don't know. Like I um I hope I did the right thing by picking up all of them. But yeah, you let me know. Anyway, okay. Sorry. On Saturday, so I'm gonna skip all of Friday, whatever. I like didn't really do much. Except I had 4 meetings on Friday, which is just insane. Like honestly, meetings on Fridays should not be a thing. Usually I have one meeting, and that's with like my vendor who I have like a really like good rapport with. But like 4 meetings, like one of my meetings was 4 p.m. on a Friday. Bro, that's not cool. But okay. Saturday, we had a consult with a new trainer for our dog. We want him to have just like more specialized or more like targeted training. So we met with a new trainer named Adrian, and I really, really like her. That was really great. After that, we picked up some Chipotle, and then I marked another plan with Mayfail. And then at the end of the night, we just started some specific training that Adrian had given to us. So I kind of used that dog collar from White Deer Stationery to mark that. And then on Sunday, I woke up. As soon as I woke up, I started prepping my dog's meals. So, like, part of the training is feeding him in a specific way. So, yeah, I kind of felt like really funny that I was like literally in the kitchen prepping my dog's meals. Like, literally, he is a spoiled child. But that's okay. Then, yeah, just like a lot of errands on Sunday, did a lot of laundry, and then we also went and did a full ShopRite run. I also, this was really, really exciting, but I did order my planners for 2021. They are the TSKP planners. I will link her shop below. And I am planning to film a 2021 planner lineup video for you guys. So you'll be able to see those planners in depth there. So here we go. Here's a close up of the spread, just a like close pan of it. I think these shots are really pretty, so I wanted to try to see if I liked it in one of my videos. And I love how you can see all the foil close up. And also I feel like I'm always like running out of time at the very end of a video, so just adding this extra clip is really nice to have a bit more time to kind of finish my conversation with myself. Okay, so here is the final spread. It is so pretty. I again love the silver. Oh my god. Ran out of time. Okay, bye.